To my fellow real estate agents, I wanted to take a moment to talk to you personally. I wanted to start off with the story of my father, because I was born into a real estate home, and I grew up seeing my dad do the open houses, create a real estate career, eventually opening up his own real estate office and becoming a broker. A true broker back in the days of the good old days, like they say. And he was the kind of broker that was a mentor and a coach, and he was not a competing broker. His job was not to produce real estate transaction. His job was just to coach and mentor his people. Unfortunately, he passed away before I started my real estate career. And I came into the real estate career knowing that I wanted to do real estate, knowing that I wanted to be a producer. I just didn't know what to do or how to do it. Fortunately, I was mentored by some incredible real estate agents in the firms that I joined early on in my career. And then I hired very good real estate coaches. It cost me an arm and a leg, but all of that experience allows me today to bring to you the Powerhouse Real Estate Network we call FREN. This company is designed with one thing and one thing in mind: to help you win and win big. I want to create a home for all of the real estate agents that join our firm. A place where you can come, hang your real estate license, learn the systems that it takes to become a top producer. A place where you can feel comfortable creating a team, possibly even your own office. See, the Powerhouse Real Estate Network is not just a hit and run or hit and miss type of opportunity. This is a company where you can come and you can create your entire real estate career from zero all the way to hero. You can start from scratch and become a top-notch realtor, or if you decide to take a career path with us, create passive income by building a team and building your own office. This is an incredible business opportunity unlike any other in the industry. We are going to put together coaching programs and mentor programs to help you win. We want to help you become a dominant figure in your marketplace. We want to help brand you. We want to help you use all the tools necessary to become the best of the best, a powerhouse.